Hi, English learner. Welcome to Dad English.
I'm Grace.
And I'm Antony. Let's grow your real English together.
Today, we'll practice one key skill to improve your English.
Watch step by step. Let's begin.
Today, we're going to explore the entire Christmas and holiday season.
If you are happy to be here, please click the like button now.
And do not forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
Your support helps us make these long conversations for you.
Let us start with the feeling of December.
The weather gets very cold in the final month of the year.
I often have to wear gloves to keep my hands warm.
I love seeing the frost on the grass in the morning.
It looks like a white blanket covering the garden.
Do you like it when it snows?
Yes, snow makes everything look clean and magical.
But it can make the roads very slippery and dangerous.
We must drive slowly when there is ice on the road.
When it is cold, I like to stay inside the house.
We can drink hot tea or coffee to warm up.
I prefer hot chocolate with a lot of whipped cream.
December is also the time for holiday decorations.
When do you usually put up your Christmas tree?
I put my tree up on the first day of December.
That is very early, but it is nice to enjoy it.
Do you buy a real tree or an artificial one?
I have an artificial tree because it is easy to clean.
I buy a real tree because I love the pine smell.
But real trees drop their needles on the carpet.
That is true, but the smell is worth the mess.
We put white lights all around the tree.
I prefer colored lights that blink on and off.
Then we hang the ornaments on the branches.
I have ornaments from when I was a little boy.
It is nice to keep old memories on the tree.
We put a bright gold star on the very top.
In my family, we put a silver angel on the top.
We also hang a wreath on the front door.
A wreath is a circle made of green leaves.
It welcomes guests when they come to visit.
Do you put lights on the outside of your house?
Yes, I put lights on the bushes in the garden.
It looks very festive when I walk past your house.
Now let us talk about buying gifts.
Shopping is the most stressful part of Christmas.
The shops are always very crowded in December.
I try to buy my gifts online to avoid the crowds.
That is a good idea, but delivery can be slow.
It is difficult to choose the right gift for everyone.
My father is the hardest person to buy for.
Fathers always say they do not want anything.
So I usually just buy him socks or a book.
Socks are boring, but everyone needs them.
Wrapping the gifts takes a long time, too.
I love using colorful paper and gold ribbon.
I'm not very good at wrapping gifts neatly.
You just need to use more sticky tape.
We also write Christmas cards to our friends.
Writing cards hurts my hand after a while.
But it is a nice way to say hello to people.
Let us move forward to Christmas Eve.
December 24th is full of excitement.
Do you have a special dinner on Christmas Eve?
We usually order a pizza and relax at home.
We eat a seafood dinner with fish and shrimp.
We give the children a Christmas Eve box.
What do you put inside the special box?
We put new pajamas and hot chocolate inside.
Then everyone wears their new pajamas to bed.
We usually watch a holiday movie together.
The Grinch is my favorite movie to watch.
I like Home Alone because it is very funny.
Before bed, we must leave food for Santa Claus.
We leave a mince pie and a glass of milk.
And don't forget a carrot for the reindeer.
Then the children try to go to sleep.
They are usually too excited to sleep well.
The parents stay up late to finish preparations.
Finally, everyone goes to sleep.
The sun rises on Christmas morning.
The children wake us up very early.
We go downstairs wearing our bathrobes.
The tree lights look beautiful in the dark morning.
First, we look at the stockings.
A stocking is a big sock filled with small gifts.
I usually find an orange and some chocolate.
I find lip balm and new pens in mine.
After stockings, we drink strong coffee.
And we eat a big breakfast together.
We have pancakes with syrup and bacon.
Now it is time for the main gifts.
We sit in a circle around the tree.
We take turns opening one gift at a time.
I like to rip the paper off very fast.
I like to open the paper slowly and carefully.
It is important to say thank you for every gift.
Even if you do not like the gift very much.
My aunt gave me a strange sweater last year.
Did you wear it to make her happy?
Yes, I wore it for 1 hour.
After gifts, the room is very messy.
There's paper and ribbon on the floor.
We clean it up quickly before lunch.
Now the cooking begins in the kitchen.
The turkey has been in the oven for hours.
The house smells like roasted meat and herbs.
I help by peeling the potatoes and carrots.
We roast the potatoes until they are crispy.
We also make stuffing with onions.
And we make a lot of brown gravy.
Do you like Brussels sprouts?
I love them if they are cooked with bacon.
I do not like the bitter taste of sprouts.
We also have sausages wrapped in bacon.
We call those pigs in blankets.
We set the table with the nice plates.
We put a Christmas cracker on every plate.
We pull the crackers before we eat.
They make a loud bang noise.
We wear the paper hats from inside.
We look very funny wearing the colorful hats.
Then we eat until we are very full.
We call this feeling a food coma.
It means you cannot move because you ate too much.
But we always have room for dessert.
We have a Christmas pudding with brandy.
We light it on fire for a show.
I prefer to eat chocolate cake.
After dinner, we move to the sofa.
We do not wash the dishes until later.
The adults often fall asleep for a nap.
The children play with their new toys.
In the evening, we play games.
Charades is a very popular family game.
You must act out a word without speaking.
It is very funny to watch people act.
Sometimes we play board games like Monopoly.
But Monopoly causes too many arguments.
If it is not raining, we go for a walk.
A walk helps us digest the big dinner.
It is nice to see the lights in the dark.
When we return, we eat leftovers.
A turkey sandwich is delicious at night.
And we eat more chocolate from the box.
Finally, we go to bed exhausted.
But the holiday is not over yet.
The next day is Boxing Day.
Why is it called Boxing Day?
It comes from giving boxes to servants long ago.
Today, it is a day for relaxing.
We do not cook any new food.
We eat the food remaining from Christmas.
We call this food leftovers.
We make a dish called Bubble and Squeak.
That is fried potatoes and vegetables.
Many people go shopping on Boxing Day.
The sales in the shops are very big.
I prefer to stay home and watch movies.
Me too. I stay in my pajamas all day.
Then, a few days later, it is New Year's Eve.
December 31st is the last day of the year.
How do you celebrate New Year's Eve?
I usually go to a party with my friends.
We count down the seconds to midnight.
10, 9, 8, 7.
Happy New Year!
We hug our friends and wish them well.
We sing a song called Auld Lang Syne.
It is a Scottish song about old friends.
We watch the fireworks explode in the sky.
The next day is January 1st.
Do you make New Year's resolutions?
A resolution is a promise to yourself.
My resolution is to go to the gym more.
My resolution is to read more books.
We have talked for a very long time.
Now let us review some vocabulary words.
We will explain the hard words we used.
Artificial.
Not real, made by humans.
The plastic tree is artificial.
Artificial.
A circle of leaves for the door.
The green wreath is beautiful.
Leftovers.
Food remaining after a meal.
We ate turkey leftovers for lunch.
Tradition.
A habit families do every year.
Singing carols is a tradition.
Chaos.
Total confusion and disorder.
The messy room was chaos.
Savor.
To enjoy a taste slowly.
Savor the hot chocolate.
Digest.
To process food in the stomach.
Walking helps digest food.
Festive.
Happy and celebratory.
You look festive in red.
Stocking.
A large sock for holding gifts.
My stocking is full of candy.
Resolution.
A promise to improve yourself.
My resolution is to learn English.
We hope you learned many new words today.
Please try to use them in a sentence.
Now we have a question for you.
We want to hear from you in the comments.
What is your favorite holiday food?
Do you like sweet food or savory food?
Write your answer in English below.
We read all the comments and give hearts.
Thank you for listening for so long.
You are doing a great job learning English.
We hope you have a wonderful holiday.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.